Have you ever seen a food that looks so soft you just want to poke it? In Korea, there is a dessert that looks exactly like a pillowy cloud served on a warm plate. These are soufflé pancakes, and they are truly irresistible. They stand tall, sometimes in a stack of 2, sometimes in a stack of 3, wiggling ever so slightly as the plate is set down on the table. The sight alone is enough to make your mouth water and your heart feel happy. People from all over the world travel to Korea. One must-try is these very special pancakes. They are more than just breakfast. They are a delightful experience you will remember. These pancakes are not like the flat, dense ones you might be used to. They are incredibly light, airy, and almost magical. Imagine cutting into a warm, soft cake that melts in your mouth the moment you take a bite. That is the feeling of eating a Korean soufflé pancake. They are often dusted with powdered sugar. Cream is often drizzled over them, slowly dripping down the sides. Fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries are placed carefully around the base. It's a beautiful picture that you will want to capture before you even think about eating. This is why these pancakes are a true crave trigger. So, what exactly is a soufflé pancake? It is a wonderful dessert that combines the idea of a classic pancake with the technique of a French soufflé. It starts with simple ingredients that you probably already know. The batter is made from flour, sugar, milk, and eggs. But there is a very important secret that makes all the difference. The magic comes from how the eggs are used. The egg yolks are separated. The egg whites are separated. The yolks are mixed with the other ingredients to create a smooth, rich base for the batter. The real transformation happens with the egg whites. This is the heart of the soufflé technique. The egg whites are placed in a very clean bowl and are whipped with a little bit of sugar. They are beaten and beaten until they become a thick, glossy white cloud. This is called a meringue. The goal is to whip the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. This means when you lift the whisk, the meringue stands up straight. The process traps a huge amount of air, the key to height. Once the meringue is perfect, it must be handled with great care. It is gently folded into the yolk batter. You cannot just stir it in quickly. You fold slowly to preserve the air. This makes the final batter very thick, airy, almost like a foam. Heat expands the air bubbles so the pancakes puff up and rise. It's a delicate process that requires patience and a gentle hand. The result, tall, round, unbelievably soft, an elegant dessert made with a bit of food science and a lot of love. The first thing you will notice about a soufflé pancake is its incredible texture. It is the star of the show. When you cut into one with your fork, there is almost no resistance. It feels like slicing through a soft, warm cloud. The outside has a very thin, delicate, golden brown skin. Not crispy, just firm enough to hold the airy interior. The interior is like a creamy, fluffy custard. Moist, tender, it dissolves on your tongue. The flavor is subtle and delicate, not overly sweet like cake. A gentle sweetness from sugar and a rich, eggy comfort. That mild taste is a perfect canvas for toppings. So many creative toppings in Korean cafes. The pancake gives texture, toppings give bursts of flavor. Freshly whipped cream melting on top, golden maple syrup drizzling, powdered sugar dusting, a small pat of butter melting, fresh fruit, sliced strawberries, fresh fruit, whole blueberries, fresh fruit, ripe bananas. Beyond classics, creative twists, thick tangy cream cheese frosting, matcha flavored cream, rich vanilla or chocolate ice cream, sweet red bean paste, toasted nuts, savory option, bacon and eggs. Each topping offers a new experience. You'll want to try them all. Soufflé pancakes became a huge trend in Korea for several wonderful reasons. First and foremost, they are incredibly beautiful. Tall, perfectly round, delightful jiggle. They look amazing in photographs, videos. People love to share pictures on social media like Instagram. Tall, fluffy stack, cream dripping down the sides. Everyone wants to capture and share. This visual appeal helped the trend spread quickly. Second, the experience of eating them is unique and fun. The texture is a delightful surprise. Not what you expect from a pancake. Extreme lightness, softness, a memorable treat. Not a heavy meal, a light, joyful snack or dessert. Perfect with coffee, tea. Watching them jiggle, cutting into the soft cloud, feeling it melt. It's playful and happy and contagious. Third, Korea's vibrant cafe culture was the perfect environment. Thousands of independent cafes, owners creating special menu items. Soufflé pancakes fit perfectly. Impressive to look at, delicious to eat, require skill to make. Friendly competition pushed quality and creativity. Your pancake pilgrimage. Top spots in Korea to visit. If you are ready to start your own delicious journey, Korea has many amazing places to try soufflé pancakes. Each neighborhood and city offers a slightly different experience. In Seoul, one of the best places to visit is Ikseondong. Charming narrow alleys, traditional hanok houses turned into trendy cafes, artisanal pancake cafes in warm wooden spaces. Focus on high-quality ingredients. Pancakes with a rustic homemade feel. Sweet red bean pancakes. Pancakes drizzled with local honey. A quiet, sweet moment in Ikseondong. Another top spot is Garasugal in Gangnam. Trendy fashion boutiques. Art galleries. Chic cafes with stylish interiors. Modern, fashionable pancake spots. Creative artistic presentations. Mascarpone cheese, exotic fruits, edible flowers, paired with specialty coffee. For a younger vibe, go to Hongdae. University energy, lively arts. Playful, experimental cafes from classics to unusual creations. Oreo crumble, tiramisu, even savory. Budget-friendly prices, great for students and travelers. Beyond Seoul, Busan's Haeundae cafes, berries by the ocean. On Jeju, local dairy, tangerine jam, high-quality green tea, a true taste of the island. Making soufflé pancakes is like performing a delicate dance in the kitchen. It requires patience and a gentle touch, but the basic steps are quite simple to understand. First, you need to prepare your ingredients carefully. The process begins by separating the egg yolks from the egg whites. Make sure no yolk gets into the whites, as this can prevent them from whipping up properly. Yolks go in a bowl with milk, a little sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract. Then flour and a small amount of baking powder are sifted in and mixed until smooth. This forms the flavorful base. Next comes the most crucial part, making the meringue. Whites go into a large, clean bowl. Start low until foamy, then gradually add sugar while increasing speed. Whip to a thick, glossy foam. Stiff peaks that stand straight. Mix in about 1/3 to lighten the batter, then gently fold in the rest. Use a bottom-to-top fold, turning the bowl, until just mixed. Don't overwork it. Keep as much air as possible. You need a non-stick pan with a lid, heated over very low heat. Use large ring molds. Lightly grease. Fill about 3/4 full. Add a few drops of water to the pan and cover to create steam. Cook slowly on each side until golden and cooked through. Serve immediately at peak fluff. To make sure your soufflé pancake adventure in Korea is as wonderful as possible, here are a few friendly tips for travelers. First, be prepared for a wait. Popular cafes can have very long lines, especially on weekends or peak afternoon hours. Many places make each pancake to order. The slow cooking process takes time. Expect 20 to 30 minutes after you sit down. Go early in the day, especially on a weekday. Some cafes may take reservations. Check online or call ahead. Second, bring your camera or a full phone battery. Try for a window seat. Natural light makes food look better. Staff expect photos, don't be shy. These shots help you savor the memory later. Third, consider sharing a plate. Servings are often large, 2 or 3 tall pancakes, and the toppings can be filling. If you are cafe hopping, share to taste more and save money. Finally, be open to local flavors. Look for injolmi. Look for black sesame. Look for yuzu. Look for dalgona. Ask the staff for their recommendation. Do these and your pancake day becomes unforgettable. When your beautiful plate of soufflé pancakes arrives, you will want to capture its perfection for your social media feed. There are a few simple tricks to make your photos and videos look extra special. First, focus on the jiggle. Soufflé pancakes are famous for their delightful wobble. Before you take a bite, gently tap the side of the plate and record a short video. The slight movement shows just how soft and airy they are. An instant authenticity signal. It brings your post to life. Next, think about angle. A flat lay from directly above can be beautiful. Show the pancakes, the toppings, the plate, and your cup of coffee. To show the amazing height, shoot at eye level. Then try a 3/4 angle to show both height and toppings. Don't forget the money shot. Gently cut in and reveal the soft, steamy, creamy interior. That texture is everything. If you have a syrup or cream pour, shoot in slow motion. The cascade down the sides is mesmerizing. Finally, use a clean, simple background. Clear clutter. Natural window light is your best friend. Avoid phone flash. With these tips, your photos and videos will be almost as delicious as the pancakes. In the end, Korean soufflé pancakes are so much more than just a sweet dish. They represent a complete and joyful experience. Step into a cozy cafe. Smell the batter, smell the coffee. You wait in anticipation. Watch chefs craft each pancake behind glass. The plate is set before you, a wobbly tower of golden perfection. It looks too beautiful to eat. A moment of pure visual delight. Slow down. Fast city life. Then press pause inside a cafe. You cannot rush the process. Wait patiently. Eat slowly to appreciate their qualities. A perfect, relaxed afternoon. Chat with a friend. Read a book. Watch the world go by. A mindful treat. Savor every bite. Feel the softness. Taste the sweetness. Notice the airy texture. Connect with modern Korean cafe culture. Dynamic scenes, trends, beauty, creative food. Young people enjoying these treats. Visit Ikseondong, visit Hongdae, go to Garosugil, try a Jeju seaside cafe. Order a plate. Take your photos. Put your phone away. Breathe. Fork up. Enjoy. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.